Hi, I'm Aurora, and today I'm in my basement because we have no hot water. This is our electric hot water tank, and after looking at it, we've decided that it's in pretty good shape, which is great news for us because replacing your tank is very expensive. Now, we've decided instead to replace the heating elements. The upper and lower ones are here. So, we got two, upper and lower. And to know which ones to buy, there should be a sticker on your tank, like so. And upper element, 3,500. Lower element, 3,500. Which matches up with the ones we got.
Alright.
Okay, step one. We have to shut off the water heater and the water pump. Now, we can go back downstairs. So I have my voltage detector that I've used in other videos to check if the power is off. As you can see, there's no red blinking, so it's off. Now we need to drain the tank. Just hook up a hose that runs to outside or to your basement drain. Just spin this. And once your tank is all drained, then you can go ahead and replace your two elements.
Okay.
Oh, it's coming. Okay. Oh. Don't lose the screw. Okay.
Just pull it up. There you go.
Whoa. Okay.
And that's just insulation you can pull out.
The cement. Pull out.
Should be able to.
Whoa.
Right there.
Oh, okay. So that's the thing. Turn off power before servicing. Yeah, we already did that. Alright guys, so when you buy the
heat element?
Heat element,
Yeah.
buy this element wrench as well, because you can't get it out with a regular wrench. They sell it right next to the heating element. All you gotta do is put it on there. There's a little hole right here so you can stick your screwdriver in.
It's on there.
Oh, I stabbed you.
Alright, I think it's loose. You can take that screwdriver out.
Oh, okay.
And then just...
I'll do it. I'm strong.
Okay.
Oh! Ew.
What?
Water just spilled on me.
Yeah. There's probably a little bit of water in there. Pretty sure we emptied it, right?
There's a little bit of water in there.
Hold on a sec. We should double check that it's empty and open up that valve.
Oh, boy.
Hold on, let's get a bucket.
I'll go get the bucket. I'm going to double check that it's empty. So we just got to open up this valve. We have a bucket here to catch the water. Yep, just a few drizzles. Looks like it's pretty empty.
Okay.
I think we can move on.
That's a good check.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we can go back to this.
Okay. This way. Oh, this is easier now.
Moving good now?
Yeah. I think I got it. Come on. Ah! What the heck?
Huh. Looks like there was some water there.
Looks like the bucket was convenient. Ah! I'm getting splashed. Literally every video. I think
Look at this element though.
I think we're gonna need another bucket.
This thing don't look no good.
Where is that water even coming from? We made a mess, but we can clean it up with the shop vac. It's like a water vacuum. This is the valve that we got out.
The element?
The element. This is the element that we bought.
Okay.
Look at that difference. This is trash. It's getting my fingers all trashy.
Yep.
And I don't want to hold it anymore.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have this. And just, stick it in there. And now I'm going to need the wrench.
Here you go.
There it is.
I'll put it in straight.
Yep.
Get it threaded. Right, now
Okay,
tighten it.
now I go the opposite way. It's hard to see because there's these two white things that are in the way. Okay, I think it's tight on.
Muscles?
I don't have much of those.
I'll tighten it up for you. Hold on.
My dad got it on nice and tight, and now all we need to do is put on the wires. So, cool thing about heating elements is that it doesn't matter which wire goes where. It just matters that you get them on there. So you need to screw out these a little bit, and then put this around it, just like in the light bulb video. I'm gonna hold it there, and then screw it back on. And that's really it. Gotta make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. This one looks pretty good. Now let's screw it in. Oh. Achoo. Okay. It's good.
All right. And they're good?
Yeah.
All right, now we
Nice and
gotta,
tight on there.
you know what we gotta do now.
We have to do the second one.
We have to repeat this whole process
Oh, God.
for the bottom one.
Good thing we got a bigger bucket. Do it. Okay, this thing just came out.
That's all right.
Some moistness up in there. Oh, God, the moistness is dripping on me. Oh, that was surprisingly easy. Get that screw on. Let's screw it off. Come on. And enough in there. Oh, got it. That is gross. It's about to splash in my baby. Oh. Got under there. He's not getting under here.
I'm gonna pull this sucker right out of the way.
Oh my God! Take my wrench.
Got it.
I gotta hold it under the water.
So obviously there was something wrong with that drain at the bottom of this.
It did not drain correctly.
Did not drain correctly.
So
that's fun.
yeah, we're gonna have like 5 buckets of water.
Yeah.
And this water is disgusting.
These things happen with plumbing, though. Plumbing / electrical.
/ flooding your basement. I'm Aurora, and you're watching DIYs. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Is that your wand?
Yeah. Bye. I don't get splashed. Oh my God.
Tight. Bottom lip goes behind the tank.
Oh, put that in there.
Yep. Now line up your hole. There you go.
Okay, now I need a screw.
Here. Do you hear it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's filling up. Okay, so where we messed up is when we drained the tank, we just opened this valve, which somebody must have added afterwards, which didn't drain the tank, because there's this valve here, which you need a screwdriver to open it like such. So somebody probably added this because this one had like a slow leak or something.
Yeah.
This was like a secondary add. So that's kind of where we messed up.
Yeah.
So hopefully people see this video and learn from our mistake and not make the same one.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing too is I noticed is this is your pressure release valve. Okay, so when this water heats up in here,
I even noticed that.
it expands, and there really should be you get a threaded fitting here, and you run a pipe down like to the ground, like so right above here, because if this thing gives way, it's going to spray potentially scalding hot water out, and you could get it in the face. So you want that to be directed down.
Yeah.
So that's something that we should add later too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we gotta turn the breaker back on. Oh,
All
looks like just in time, because Mom's gonna do all these dishes. Oh, it splashed with them.
Air in the line?
There's a lot of air in there.
Yeah.
It's been going for a while now. So, the hot water works, and Sassy is happy about it. But after all that work, I'm really hot. It's a hot day, and the basement is just boiling down there, you know?
Yeah.
You know? Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe.